Welcome to our in-depth review of the 2025 Toyota Hiace. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about Toyota's latest iteration of the Hiace, a model that has set new benchmarks in design, performance, and luxury. Whether you're a business owner looking for a reliable workhorse or someone who values comfort and innovation in a vehicle, the 2025 Hiace has something for you. Let's dive in. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Toyota Hiace comes with a bold new look that's sure to turn heads. This year's model is equipped with an optional body kit that adds an aggressive flair, perfect for those who want their Hiace to stand out. The sport wheels are another highlight, adding a touch of dynamism to the vehicle's stance. The overall design is both sleek and functional, combining aesthetic appeal with practical benefits like improved aerodynamics. Under the hood, the 2025 Hiace doesn't disappoint. It boasts a powerful engine designed for both performance and efficiency. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the highway, this vehicle delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience. The powertrain options include a robust hybrid engine or a diesel engine, ensuring you have the power you need for any job. Safety is always a priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Hiace is no exception. This model comes equipped with an array of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a comprehensive airbag system. The vehicle's reinforced body structure and modern safety technologies ensure that you and your passengers are protected on every journey. For those looking for a greener option, Toyota has introduced an advanced hybrid system in the 2025 Hiace. This system combines an efficient internal combustion engine with electric power, delivering impressive fuel economy without compromising performance. It's an ideal choice for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint while still enjoying the reliability and power of a Hiace. Stepping inside, the 2025 Hiace continues to impress with its luxurious interior features. The seating is designed for comfort, offering premium materials and ample legroom for all passengers. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring a large touchscreen display with seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and a premium sound system. Whether you're using the Hiace for work or leisure, the interior ensures a comfortable and connected experience. And that wraps up our review of the 2025 Toyota Hiace. With its bold new design, advanced hybrid option, and luxurious interior, the Hiace continues to be a leader in its class. If you're in the market for a versatile and reliable vehicle, the 2025 Hiace should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.